everyone, Miss Emily here from the Fairfield Public Library. Today I will be showing you how to make this hot air balloon decoration. Let's get started. In the kit you picked up from the library, you have a paper plate, a straw, a piece of yarn, and 2 pieces of brown construction paper. To do this craft, you will also need your own coloring materials. I have markers here, but you can use whatever you have, crayons, colored pencils, anything will work. You'll also need tape and scissors. The first step is to decorate our paper plate. So what you want to do is flip it over so that you have the bottom facing up, and this is the side that you'll be working on. So this will be our hot air balloon, and you can color it however you'd like. Maybe you want to do different patterns, maybe you want to use a bunch of different colors, maybe you want to draw stripes. It's totally up to you what you'd like your design to be. So I will be right back to show you my colored in hot air balloon. So here is my hot air balloon all colored in. So for now we're just going to set that aside, and we want to make the basket for our hot air balloon. So go ahead and take the 2 pieces of brown construction paper that you have, and you'll also need your scissors. So pick up 1 piece of your construction paper, and what we want to do is make some cuts along one edge all the way down to the other, but we don't want to go all the way down. We don't want to cut complete strips. What we want to do is leave about 1/2 inch on the one side. So let me show you. I'm going to start here, cut straight down, and then I'm going to stop about right there. So I've stopped so that this is still attached, and like I said, about 1/2 inch remaining at the bottom. And I'm going to continue that and cut some more strips, stopping at the same point. And we'll keep going here. And I'm trying to keep them about the same size, but it does not have to be exact. And I think I can cut 1 more here. We'll split that and go straight down. So you should have something that looks like this. I'm just going to turn it this way. So there is the bottom where they're all still attached, and then I've got these parts cut. For our other piece, this one, we also want to cut it, but this time we can actually cut the strips. So we want to cut all the way to the other side. So we are making little strips of the brown paper here. And again, try to keep them about the same thickness, but it doesn't have to be exact. And we'll cut, I think, maybe 1 more here. There we go. Whoops. So we've got all these strips of brown paper from our one square, and then the other one, we have them all still attached. Okay, it's time to do some weaving. So what you'll want to do is take 1 of your strips of brown paper, and then, like I said, you'll want to have the part where they're all attached down at the bottom here, and you're going to leave the one on the edge down, but then pick up the next one and slide your strip of paper right under that one. So it's gone over that one, under this one, over this one, and then pick this one up and pop it under, over this one, pick this one up, and it goes under, goes over on that one, pick this one up, and it goes under. So it goes over and under every other one. So let's do another one. So for the next one, we want to do the opposite. So as we saw, this one, it started over, so we want to start it under. So you're going to take the strip, hold up that last piece, tuck this one under, and then it's going to go over that one, and lift this one up so it can go under, over that one, lift this one up, whoops, so that it can go under, and then over, under, and just slide it in. And then you can kind of push it down to line everything up. So you're really just lifting up every other one, every other little piece here. So let me bring it a little closer to demonstrate another time. So we want to start this one over. So we're going to bring it over, but then we want to lift this one up, and it's going to go underneath it, and it goes over the next one, and then under this one, and then over the next one, and then under this one, over that one, and under this one. And then again, we can kind of push this down to get it in position. All right, I'll keep going here. So that one was over, so I know I want to go under for my next one. And then every other one, I'm going to pick up and slide my other piece of brown paper underneath, and then push it down. Okay, let's do another one. And this takes a little bit of practice to get used to, so just do your best with it. Okay. And there we go. I think I'm going to stop there. So you probably will have some extra strips of brown construction paper. That's okay. You don't need those. We'll just set them to the side. So here I have my basket for my hot air balloon. So what you'll want to do next is flip your basket over. So we've got the other side facing up now. And go ahead and grab your tape. And we just want to secure the weaving that we've done. So you can take a piece of tape, and I'm just going to put it at a diagonal here. And I will grab a little bit more to do the other side. And just adding a couple of pieces just to help kind of secure it down. Then what you want to do is grab your paper straw. You can open it up here. And we want to cut our straw in half. So it doesn't have to be exact, but half is about here. So I'm just going to grab my scissors and cut it. And then while we have the back of our basket up, what we will do is we want to tape our straw pieces on the end. So let me get a little piece of tape here, and I'm just going to hold this one towards the top of the basket, but close to the edge there, and just tape it on. Grab another little piece of tape and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so you have something that looks like this. Then what you'll want to do is grab your colored in paper plate, and you want to flip it so you have the white side facing up, and go ahead and position it underneath those two straws. So you want to make sure with your design that you have the top of your hot air balloon here, so the top here, and you're going to tape the straws down on the bottom so that when it's hanging, it's the correct way. So I'm going to grab a little more tape, just going to put it on the end of my straw there and press it down so that it sticks to the plate, and do the same thing on the other side. Add my tape and press it down. Okay. And before we flip it over, we want to grab that piece of yarn. So we are going to take the two ends and just hold them together and place them right at the top of the paper plate here. Grab a little bit more tape, and we're just going to tape those two ends down on the back here. And we are ready to flip it over. So there we go. We've got our piece of yarn so that we can hang up our hot air balloon decoration. There's our design, and then there is our basket. So there it is, our completed hot air balloon decoration. I hope you had fun making this project with me. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye, friends.